warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, friends. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mutia Hanifah. We are from Group 2 of Class F. Here, I am accompanied by my colleagues including Andrea Alizahra, Ari Adriansyah, Anissa Yulianti, and finally, Ricky Febriana Hidayat. Okay, friends, do you already know? As Henry Ford once said, failure is simply opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. This quote reminds us that challenges in business are unavoidable, but they actually present opportunities for us to learn and grow. From the early days of trade, the business world has always been marked by fierce competitions, capital constraints, and technological advancements. Entrepreneurs must continuously adapt to survive and excel. If you look back in history, the world of business has gone through significant transformations since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, when technological innovations began to replace human labor. While it proved progress, this period also highlighted challenges such as increasingly tough market conditions and the need for substantial capital. Business is a dynamic world where challenges and opportunities come and go. These challenges often serve as a trigger for innovations and growth. Today, we want to invite you all to explore our project, then challenge in doing business. We will discuss three main aspects that pose obstacles for many entrepreneurs, competitors, initial capital, and technology. We will analyze the outcomes of the interviews and discuss some solutions to overcome them. Now that we've set the stage for today's discussions, it's time to delve into the first major challenge business face, which is competition. In a dynamic and often unpredictable marketplace, getting ahead of competitors can be a significant hurdle for any organizations. Our first presenter will provide valuable insights into how business can navigate this competitive landscape and develop strategies to remain successful. Please join me in welcoming Ari Adriansyah, who will shed light on this important topic.
Thank you, Mutia, to giving the opportunity. Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here today. As mentioned, I'll be talking about one of the most crucial challenges about that business face, which is competition. In today's fast-paced era, staying ahead of your competitors is not just a goal; it's an easy. So let's explore how business can navigate the competitive landscape and develop strategies that give them an edge. Let's dive into the first discussion. In the business world, competitors are invisible. Competition is a challenge that forces business to continue to innovate and create added value. Successful business is one that not only suffers, but is also able to stay out in a crowded market. According to Susmaker 2018, competitors through innovation and strategy adaptations. Based on our interview, Dayanti, the owner of Dayanti, has stiff competition from the many chilling sellers around. To attract consumers' attention, she created its new flavors as sweet and spicy chilling and provides attractive aromas. A similar solution is also experienced by strawberry juice or smoothies and taverners. Although competitors are quick to walk away, he still maintains the characteristic of his product so that loyal consumers do not switch. The competition is considered healthy and encourages him to continue improving quality. His strategy reflects The step of step change, as described by Doda at 2016, which is adapting to market-based demand and relevance. According to the General Competitive Strategy National Business by Father 2020, the product development strategy is very effective to deal with competitors, especially in a competitive market. This strategy is evident in the steps taken by local entrepreneurs who interpret. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Ari Ardiansa for that insightful discussion on competition. Now, as we shift our focus, let's talk about another major challenge many businesses face: securing startup capital. Without the necessary funding, even the most innovation ideas can face significant obstacles in getting off the ground. In this part of the presentation, we'll explore the various options available for securing capital, the challenges that come with it, and some strategies to effectively navigate the process. Let's get started. Startup capital is one of the biggest challenges in starting a business. In Step Change, Micro Entrepreneurs Entry into the Middle Class Market, Dauda et al. 2016, it is mentioned that access to resources including capital is a major challenge for small entrepreneurs. Not everyone has the funds to start a business right away. So, creativity and innovation are the main solution. In our interview, street entrepreneurs utilize discount and live streaming feature on TikTok and manage to attract customers without large promotional costs. As according to Dauda et al. 2016, limited capital can be overcome by optimizing local research. And two, the strawberry juice smoothies entrepreneur utilize exciting research, cultivating strawberry from her own garden. This strategy reflects the importance of research efficiency outlined in small business and their challenge during COVID-19 pandemic by NGO 2022. In the Junior Small Business Financing Challenge, Jonas et al. 2019 emphasized that limited capital of the triggers entrepreneurs to think more creatively and efficiently.
Okay, thank you Anissa Yulianti for the invaluable insight about startup capital. Now, as we move forward, let's focus on another important factor in business challenge, which is technology. In today's digital age, technology is not just a tool, but it's a driving force that can change the way business operate, innovate, and grow. Technology is no longer an option, but it's a necessity. Okay, let's get started. As we can see from the data source from Winstate, that the majority of MSMEs have not used digital technology. As seen from the number of MSMEs that have been digitized, which is the green bars, is much smaller than the total of MSMEs or the pink bar. Although there is an increase, the achievement of digitalization still lags behind the target, which is the purple bars. While digitized MSMEs are more competitive and have greater potential, the digital divide needs to be addressed to improve access, training, and financial support. And this data also is consistent with the result of our interview with 3 informants, 2 of whom have used technology as a tool for doing their business, and 1 of them has not yet used technology for her business. And the first informant, a true seller, she has maximized the use of technology such as the live streaming feature on TikTok and Shopee, and make interesting video content to promote her product interactively. And the second informant, a strawberry juice seller, utilized technology on platforms such as GoFood and Shopee Food, so her customer can easily buy her products online. And this strategy is in line with the finding of Yoda et al. In 2016, who mentioned that technological adoption is an important step toward the middle class market. And also from Ayo et al. In 2011, which said that technology must be relevant to business needs. Meanwhile, the third informant, Cireng Isi Seller, plans to utilize the e-commerce to reach more customers, especially outside the content area where she sells, because she thinks technology will be very helpful for her business. And the last but not least, how important is technology for an SMEs business? According to Harvard and Szabo in 2019, digitalization has financial benefits such as cost reduction and encourage adoption. Therefore, digitalization is the key to success for all existing MSMEs. That's all for me. Thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you, Andrea. From the analysis of interview and journal reviews, we found a number of crucial points that reflect the dynamics of modern business and strategies to face challenges in a progressive way. Number one is competitor as innovation drivers. Competition drivers business to innovate through the development of unique product or services that focus on customer needs and strengthen brand identity. The strategy is to increase creativity in marketing and branding to stand out in the market. The second one is overcoming limited startup capital. The financial constraints often faced by new business can be overcome with creativity and smart resource management, as well as utilizing social media for cost-effective marketing. Then last one is technology and e-commerce as a key as a pillar. Technology, especially e-commerce, simplifies business operation, increase accessibility, the strengthen customer relationship, use user-friendly e-commerce platforms to expand market reach. Challenges in business are hidden opportunities. According to Yoda et al. 2016, it emphasizes the importance of adaptability and managing change visionarily. Business that can see the opportunities behind challenge will survive and thrive. With the right strategy, the courage to try new things, and commitment to continuous learning, every obstacle can be a step towards greater success.
Okay guys, after what has been explained, it can be concluded that challenges in business are not the end of everything. They are the beginning of journey towards innovation and new opportunities. As we have discussed, each challenge from competitors that drive innovations, capital limitations that test creativity, to technology that opens expansion opportunities, can be a stepping stone for growth if faced with the right strategies. The entrepreneurs we interviewed have shown that with the creativity, courage, and adaptability, challenge can be transformed into strength. For example, Tahianti success in creating products differentiations for competitive purpose. A thrift entrepreneur took advantage of promotions on TikTok to overcome capital constraints, and the last strawberry juice entrepreneur optimized e-commerce technology to reach a wider market. Business is not just about making a profit, it is also about the art of constantly learning, evolving, and creating impact. We hope this presentation inspires you to view challenges as opportunities and motivation to keep moving forward. Thank you for your attention. Let's learn from this challenge together and become strangers entrepreneurs.